The more we talk about these issues, especially extremism, because it affects our daily lives every day, I think the better off we will become. And the more we could normalize the behavior of talking about these issues instead of feeling that you don't have control over anything. If you look at the political system, if you look at Shabaab still being around, ability to Shabaab still kill people in the capital, you think it's hopeless. But if you live in the country, if you go in and you look at the grassroots movements, women organizing themselves, young people organizing themselves from not just the capital but small towns across the country, you realize there's so much more hope, and that the stories that get airtime are just 1% of the amazing potential in the country. So I'm very hopeful.
The conference here was tackling the tribalism and the extremism. They were looking for solution. When I came here, I find the solution. You are the solution. You are the future of Somalia.